So what we're doing is we're replacing this one, and we're going to put this one up.
And you have Vanna here, who's going ahead and going to clean all the bulbs.
Very, very left is the way Oregon.
Nice job, Vanna.
But we thought there's more.
Could I buy a vowel? So we already have the light fixture down, and we have all the fam here. It's going to be a group effort to put that up. Uncle Tom's going to help us out. We're going to put that up. But the first thing you want to do is make sure you turn out your light. Not important that you kill the breaker. You can if you want, but turn that light switch off, get rid of the power, and we're getting ready to put that light up. Tom, tell us what you're doing here.
What we have here is failure to communicate.
Tom is
He's not a supervisor.
What you doing there, Tom?
He's a laborer.
You're doing something with those. What are you doing?
Can I make
Twisting them all three
I'm
together.
twisting wires
You're twisting wire. Why are you twisting the wires, Tom?
so that they'll be twisted.
Nice.
That way it doesn't.
That's
make
an
the electricity
incredible.
dizzy.
That's an incredible tip for the people who are watching.
You like this kind of work, and all you have to do is take pictures.
Exactly.
Exactly.
Good thing we have at least one bulb in the family. Three guys.
Screwing the bracket in place. So we got the bracket in place. Next thing we need to do is put those wire nuts on.
Wire nuts, would you hand me those wire nuts?
Wait, now that you got it. Which right now it's like, oh, knee high by the 4th of July.
No, just one at a time.
No, that's fine.
Cool. Like 9 tomato plants. Different varieties or.
So in a light, it doesn't really matter which wire you connect to which one, except the ground. If there's a ground up there, so you don't have to know what's hot, what's cold. Either one will work.
I just wanted to be like you.
So I have like, bro, I think I have 30 onions.
Oh, man.
I have 4 pickles and relish.
Your mom has a good recipe. Sweeter still.
I like sweet relish.
Nathan grew up on sweet relish, and he loved relish. Oh, but it's just really
Who's new? I don't know.
It's really interesting.
Now we're putting a cap on up there. Oh, slips right on. Look at that.
I grew some last
Hanging
year,
down.
carrot, and I went out
It's made to hang a chandelier up there. It's an extra strong ceiling fan box. This is the face of Lowe's right here. Well, I don't know. Yeah, there it is. There's the face of Lowe's. Oh, look at that. And it's up. Okay, this is the shack that Dennis built, and that's a wrap. We're going to turn the light on. Ready? Here we go. Woo! That is bright. So that's how you change a light out. This is the shack that Dennis built. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe. Isn't it beautiful? Just